Well, good morning, everybody. It is the 16th of February, 2019. And Beth tells me this is a special day for me and I should make no plans and take it easy. Boy, I wonder what she means by that. So, I plan on taking it easy all day today and trying not to be the boss, even though I've already had a directoro on what to do today. But just kind of walked around the property too after the rain the last couple of days. Wanted to check up and see if any of the water levels had changed, and they hadn't. Matter of fact, they actually decreased more than increased. So we know about how much rain we got. I think we got a little bit overnight again, but that's about it. Being a special day for me today, Beth wants to treat me to Jollibees in Talibon. So I guess shortly we'll be changing our clothes, even though I'm already ready, because I knew something was coming up here. I'm already ready to go, so I'm just waiting on her and Andoy, and we're going to go into town, and I guess I'm going to get dinner at Jollibees today because it's my birthday. Yep. I am 39 again for, oh golly geez, the 32nd time or 33rd time or somewhere in the 30s time. I tend to forget, and as every year goes by I want to forget all the more, but I'm 39 in actuality. I can't really complain. I'm physically fit. I do a lot of things people my age probably wish they could do. I work out a lot here on the farm, as you've seen in the videos and that, and it keeps me young and fit, and I'm happy that it does, and I really enjoy doing those type of things. I've always been not one to sit still very long. I like to be on the go. I like to be doing things, and that now that I call this home, I like doing things, especially here on the farm. So I help to keep myself physically fit and being healthy. But still, the old adage applies. If I had known I was going to be this old, I'd have taken a whole lot better care of myself, because I did some really stupid things in my youth, as probably a lot of us can testify to, but really don't want to repeat too often or remember too much, even though those, as we get older, those memories kind of come back, and that all the time to us, and that in our dreams, and pretty amazing. Yeah, look at her.
I'm changing clothes now.
Yeah, she's getting ready, so we're just about ready to leave here, but I kind of wanted to upload this video first and let you know that we're just kind of doing a little celebration for my birthday at this stage of the game. I guess for me it's just kind of another day, except I'm 1 year older and now heading into another year, of course. But I appreciate it. I appreciate that I'm still around, I'm still healthy, I'm still physically fit. I've got a lovely wife. Yes, indeed.
Thank you.
Thank you. See that? Did you hear that?
Thank you, darling.
Yeah, from the background here.
The birthday boy.
Yep. Okay. So I'll let you folks all go. I'm going to try to upload this right away here, so I guess maybe you could all get an enjoyment, a little bit of enjoyment out of this day. And yeah, God bless all of you. We love our viewers, and we love their comments, and try to get back to them as much as we can. The internet's been lousy today, so hopefully this will upload. So God bless you all, and happy birthday to me. Yes.